Let's write what we learned here. Let's write whatever we learned here. That we came to know some information about the A blood group and B blood group. So for A blood group, first of all, I am asking questions for A blood group. What you came to know? So let me ask you that A blood group, the person with A blood group, all the information about the A blood group that you need to answer now. Okay. So the questions I am asking here about the A blood group in the learned in the previous. Okay, so I am writing questions here. I am typing questions. Wait. So first question. 24 will be. And questions will be red color. Okay. So A blood group person. In A blood group person, surface sugar polymer. So what is the surface sugar polymer in A blood group person?
A.
Very good. A. Surface sugar polymer will be A. Okay, let's go with next some other question. Okay. So he consider that A blood group person, he or she, consider antigen. Consider antigen as. To whom he consider as antigen? We have only two sugar polymers, A and B. So whom he consider antigen?
B or O?
O is not antigen. O is not antigen. O means there is no. ఇది మనం పచ్చబొట్టు పెట్టిద్దాం. O means nothing. O means nothing. O మీద ఏమీ లేదు. That means O అనే antigen లేదు. If A sugar that ఉన్నవి రెండే sugar polymers, ఒకటి A ఇంకొకటి B. ఈ రెండు లేకపోతే what do you say? O అంటాం. So whom he considered as antigen means he considered B as antigen because he is already having A. So sugar polymer is having is A and he consider B as antigen. Okay. Next, number 3. Number 3. So genotypes available for A blood group. Genotypes available. What are the genotypes available for A blood group? Homozygous A and heterozygous A. Genotypes available: homozygous A and heterozygous A. So heterozygous A, and on the surface of RBC, what can be expected here? A sugar polymer. Okay, so I am trying to make this is the A sugar polymer on the surface of RBC. He is having A sugar polymer. Next, number 4. What antibodies? Antibodies can be expected in plasma. Antibodies which can be expected in plasma. A antibodies or B antibodies? So whom he consider as antigen, he is able to produce antibodies against them only, isn't it? And that means antigen means I don't know. I don't know what. If I am A blood group person, what I don't know. What I know. I know A sugar polymer. So that's why I don't consider A as an antigen. So that I am the A blood group person. So wait here. That previous knowledge, that means in your SSC, whatever you learned, that will confuse you. That's why it will take time. It is very easy to explain to the people who don't know anything. But this is the problem here. They feel so they know already because they learned in earlier classes. So that's the problem here. So let me say once again. If RBC contain A sugar polymer, such blood group is called as A antigen. That such blood group is called as A blood group. Okay. That's why I said surface sugar polymer A. So he is A blood group. Okay. So what he don't know? He don't know as B. He don't know. That's why he consider B as an antigen. That's why what he produce? Against the B, he produces antibodies. Antibodies which can be expected in the plasma are B antibodies. That you have to remember. B antibodies. He produced B antibodies. Why he produced B antibodies? He don't know about B. Okay. So that is also one of the basic you people need to learn here. For example, when Salmonella typha, yes, if I say Salmonella typha entered in the body. So what I produce? Antibodies against Salmonella typha. If Vibrio cholera entered in the body, that means a bacteria is entered in the body. So what I produce? That Vibrio cholera antibodies only. That means here generally that they show capital letter for antigen, small letter for antibodies. Likewise. So that means if A antigen enters in the body, so what we produce? Which antibodies you produce? I am asking you. If A
A, B,
antigen, entered in the body, what antibodies a person produce?
A,
A, that's it. For A, that we show in the form of small letter. If B antigen enters in the body, so B antigen entered in the body, what antibodies he produce? B antibodies.
B,
Okay, so that you have to remember. Okay, so that means A, B, B, A, you should don't remember like that. Don't remember
much.
like that. A person with A blood group, what he is having on the surface? A antigens, A sugar polymer is having on the surface. So what he don't know? He don't know B. That's why he consider B as an antigen. Okay, so that's why what he do? He produce antibodies B. So that's why expected antibodies in the plasma are B. Okay, now I am giving the conclusion. In A blood group person, A antigens on the on surface of RBC. So general language I am using. Till the time I used the technical language, sugar polymer, but people talk in this language. A antigen on surface of RBC. A antigen on surface of RBC. Okay. Then B antibodies in the plasma. People use that language, but B antibodies on surface of plasma, in the plasma, B antibodies in the plasma. So I explained everything clear here. So similar kind of notes will make it for B blood group also. That means from here also, onwards, I need your assistance. Okay. So I am writing now for B blood group person. A person B with B blood group. Same questions will ask. Okay, same questions. First of all, we'll draw his RBC. First of all, we'll make his RBC. So I'm drawing his RBC. Red color. So his RBC is drawn. Now, what he's having on the surface of RBC? B blood group person in on the surface of RBC. What he has, what he contain on the surface of RBC? Which sugar polymer is present? Which sugar polymer is present on the surface of RBC of B blood group person?
B,
Yeah, B. B sugar polymer is present. Okay, so B sugar polymer is present. So I am writing B. So that's why what do you call him as? Which blood group person he is? He is
B blood.
B blood group person. Okay, so let me write here in case of B blood group person that sugar polymer is having. Let me ask the first question. First question. B blood group person. Sugar polymer in B blood group person. Which sugar polymer is present?
Sugar polymer B.
Sugar polymer B is having the sugar polymer B. Okay, next. whom he consider as antigen?
A.
Whom he or she consider as antigen because he know B already because he is having B. So whom he consider as antigen means he consider A as an antigen. Can he give the reason why he consider A as an antigen? Simple, because he don't have that. Whatever you have, you know that you don't say it as antigen. Okay. So what antibodies he produce? What antibodies he produce? He or she. What antibodies he or she produce in the plasma? So he is having B. You can't say like that. What antibody he produce?
A.
See,
A.
A antibodies. Okay. So little confusing because of your previous knowledge only. Because of your previous knowledge. So in B blood group person, now I am writing here. In B blood group person, so general language, B antigen, B sugar polymer on surface of RBC, B sugar polymer on surface of RBC, that is the first thing. And if present, what antibodies are present? B antibody, A antibodies are present in the plasma. So what present here? That A antibodies are present in the plasma. So that's it. It is B blood group person. Now, let me okay. Let us fill that thing also. He is able to take blood from whom? A
B.
can
B.
receive blood from.
B.
A blood group person can receive blood from. We have four options to say. Number one, A blood group. Number two, B blood group. Number three, AB blood group. And number four, O blood group. That also will complete along with that. Can receive.
B blood group.
Hmm?
B
Okay.
blood group.
A blood group person can take blood from B.
Mm.
Let us see what happens. Okay, very good answer. That A blood group person can receive blood from B. Let us see what happens. When A blood group person is taken blood from B, so he is the A blood group person on screen. Let me erase this. Let me analyze this. If I analyze, in future you don't do the same mistake again. That's why the good thing. Okay. So first of all, let me draw the A blood group person. He is the person, A blood group person, and he is having on his RBC. I am drawing his RBC. On his RBC, what are present? A blood group, A sugar polymer is present. Okay. So this is the remaining blood plasma. Let us imagine. You say that I am giving B blood group. So let me see whether you are a good doctor or bad doctor. You decided a patient came with A blood group person. A patient came with A blood group and you decided him, I will give B blood group. No, B blood group is అంటున్నావు. Okay, let me say నువ్వు మంచి డాక్టరా చెడ్డ డాక్టరా చూద్దాం. So B blood group person is having his RBC is having B sugar polymer. Okay, B sugar polymer is present. Okay. సో ఇప్పుడు ఈ బ్లడ్ మనం ఇచ్చేస్తున్నాం అనమాట ఈయన. లెట్ us see what happens. తెలియాలి కదండి, లేకపోతే మనుషులను చంపేస్తారు. ఓకే, సో ఇచ్చేసాము. What happens? Do he know that B sugar polymer? No. That's why he consider B as an antigen. What his immune system will do? His immune system will produce antibodies against the B. Antibodies against the B. And that means that this person produce B antibodies. These B antibodies will bind with this B antigen. That leads to a procedure called agglutination. We call it as that procedure as agglutination. That clotting in general terms. Clotting. Okay. Clotting occurs. This person will die. So that means ఏ బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్ పర్సన్ కి బి బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్ ఇస్తే ఏమవుతుందో చూసారు కదండి. he will die. So we should not give B. imagine, let us give AB blood group to him. ఒకసారి AB blood group ట్రై చేద్దాం. AB blood group. సో ఇప్పుడు రెండు ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. A and B, both sugar polymers are present. Let us try to give AB blood group. So A blood group person is having what? He is having A sugar polymer. What he know? What he is having, that only he know. అంటే A తెలుసండి. ఓకే, నోన్ అండ్ అన్నోన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ కింద ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాం మనం ఇదంతా. ఓకే, he know A. So he is having A, he know A. This is A. Okay, so that little patience required here to understand. Only thing, only problem here, that you know little bit in your earlier classes, that is going to be a bigger problem. Your learned concept is completely different, but this conceptual concept is completely different. So on his RBC, what are present? A antigen present, B antigen. In AB blood group person, A sugar polymer, B sugar polymer, both are present. Okay, so what's the problem? He is a recipient. He is a recipient. A blood group person is the recipient. So what's the problem? No problem with A sugar polymer. Whatever I have, నాకు నా దగ్గర సేమ్ ఉంది. But I don't know B. When it comes, same again, agglutination occurs. Agglutination occurs. Clumping occurs. Blood vessels లో clots form అవుతాయి అన్నమాట. అట్లా blood vessels లో clot form అవుతాయి. Let us take A itself. A blood group person కి A ఇచ్చి ట్రై చేద్దాం. Then I think you will be able to understand. A blood group person కి A blood ఇస్తున్నాను. A blood ఇస్తున్నా. Putting in the box means he is the person, you should imagine. So what he is having on their surface, the same he is having. ఏముంది? Sugar polymer A. He is having sugar polymer A. So అందుకని what do you say him as? A antigen. A person with A antigen, that A sugar polymer we call A blood group person. Now I am giving A blood group to him. ఇస్తున్నా. ఏమవుతుందండి? Nothing will happen, because whatever I have on my surface, the same kind of blood you are giving. So that's why I don't consider it as antigen. Okay, so ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ కరెక్ట్గా అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. నా దగ్గర ఏముందో అదే వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, I don't consider as antigen. So whatever I don't have, I don't know them. If I don't know them, I consider it as antigen. Atla. Okay, so that's why A can be given over. Okay, AB kuda ivoddu quotation. O can be given. Why? Let us see here. Can you say, before I say why O can be given? O can be given. ఎందుకండి O ఇవ్వచ్చు? What is O? What is present on the surface of RBC?
యాంటీబాడీ యాంటీజెన్ అనేది ఉండదు కాబట్టి.
Very good, finally. So O blood group person don't have anything on the surface of RBC. O blood group person don't have anything. That's why he can be given over. ఇచ్చేయచ్చండి. అందుకే ఓన్ యూనివర్సల్ డోనర్ అంటాం. ఆయన దగ్గర ఏమీ ఉండదు. He don't have anything. That's why ఎవరు అడిగితే వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చేయచ్చు. Okay, next, the similar kind will try for B blood group. So first of all, what we said about the B blood group, sugar polymer B present, whom he she considered as antigen. A లేదు కాబట్టి ఏని యాంటీజన్ అని అనుకుంటాడు. What antibodies she produce? A antibodies he produce. A antibodies, small a రాద్దాం. A antibodies he produce. In B blood group person, final గా B sugar polymer is on the surface of RBC and A antibodies are present in the plasma. ఒకవేళ he exposed to A blood group. Okay, now let me erase this and let us, I think you better understand now. We are completed one, so that's why it's very easy for us to make the remaining also. So I am drawing a person with B blood group. He is in trouble. A person with B blood group is in trouble now. He want blood. So we have 4 options are available for us, and that 4 options we'll try. Okay, so first of all, what he is having, that we need to know. What he is having on the surface of RBC, what he is having, that we should know. Okay, ఏముందండి ఆన్ సర్ఫేస్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్బిసి? Which sugar polymer is present in the B blood group person?
B.
B. So that's why what he considered as, he is considered as B blood group person. Okay. Then now let us start from A blood group. Ivocha ivokuda. Let us find. So A blood group person. Biconcave shape. I am trying from the beginning. So A blood group person is having what? He is having a sugar polymer on the surface. He is having a sugar polymer on the surface. So he said he can be, sorry, A kada? A. So he is having A. So let's try here. He is A. I am declaring now. He is A blood group person. You think now? Can we give? And if you give the blood, what happens? ఇవ్వచ్చా? ఇస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? ఫ్రేమ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్ పర్సన్. ఇప్పుడు మనం ట్రై చేస్తాం.
చనిపోతుంది.
సో వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఆన్ ద సర్ఫేస్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్బిసి? బి. నీ దగ్గర ఏం లేదు? ఏ లేదు. ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఏ, వాట్ యూ కన్సిడర్ ఏ యాజ్? దట్ వాట్ వీఆర్ సెయింగ్. హీ కన్సిడర్ ఏ యాజ్ యాంటీజెన్. హీ కన్సిడర్ ఏ యాజ్ యాంటీజెన్. దట్స్ వై వాట్ హీ ప్రొడ్యూస్? He produce A antibodies. He is going to produce A antibodies. So that A antibodies which he produced, what happens with them? He produced antibodies A. His produced antibodies A are going to bind with this particular surface A antigen. It to bind the agglutination occurs. Clump occurs. Clump. Agglutination or clumping occurs. ఓకే, దీన్ని మనం సింబాలిక్ గా చూపించాలంటే ప్లస్ ప్లస్ అని చూపిస్తామండి. ప్లస్ ప్లస్ అంటే 2 ప్లస్ వేసామంటే ఇది హెవీ అగ్లూటినేషన్ అండ్ మోర్ డేంజరస్ ఇట్ ఈస్. దిస్ కెన్ కిల్ ద పర్సన్ ఈవెన్ అలా. ఓకే, నా లెట్ మీ డ్రా ద బి బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్ పర్సన్. బి టు బి, బి టు బి. సో ఐ థింక్ almost came into mind. So B blood group person, what he is having on the surface of RBC? B blood group person is having B antigens are present on the, so that means B sugar polymer is present on the surface of RBC. Color change anga. B is having B sugar polymer. Okay, so that's why he considered as B blood group person. Okay, so I am considering him as B blood group person. So now let us imagine what happens. What happens if I give blood to this person? So we have to make 4 options here again. 4 options. Number 1, that can be receive blood from, what we wrote here, can receive blood from. Here also we'll write the same. Can receive, B blood group person can receive blood from. Okay, so the same you have to think, because 90% these are going to be the questions. Taking time here, that because 90% of the questions are going to be from here only. So 4 options you have: A, B, and AB. Next 4O. So we are seeing the consequences by giving A blood group. We are seeing the consequences by giving for B blood group person. If you give A, what happens? That leads to heavy agglutination. He is gone. So that's why we should not give. Earlier time, before Karl Landsteiner, it was happened actually. That people don't know actually, for some blood transfusions are successful. In some blood transfusions, patients are dying. Why? Why means that now you are able to explain why. So in some means a patient came. So this blood is given, he died. This blood is given, he died. And these 2 are given, he survived. That means for some patient, that depends on luck, what blood we are giving. So all bloods are red in color. So why some patients are dying? Before Karl Landsteiner, that is, Karl Landsteiner identified that there are two sugar polymers and all they are doing this magic, that he understand and his explanation we are now moving with. Okay, now B blood group is given. Is there anything happen? What you have B and what is giving B? So I know this. I know this. That's why I don't consider as antigen. Naku telusu. That's why I don't consider as antigen. Okay, so that's why ichechandi. Okay, so shall we write AB? Do you help me now? AB. What AB person will have on the surface of RBC? What AB person will have? You should answer. AB blood group
AB
person
antigen.
is having both A sugar polymer.
AB and B sugar polymer.
Yeah, he is having A sugar polymer. A is having B sugar polymer. That's why what we consider him as, which blood group we consider him as? Person who is having A sugar polymer and B sugar polymer. We consider him as AB.
AB blood group.
Okay. So next we are giving. So can you estimate the consequences? So he is a B blood group person. Now we are giving blood to him. Can you estimate the consequences here? Yes. What are the consequences here?
B antigens are formed.
B antigens ఉన్నాయండి. B ఉన్నాయి. So whatever the B he have, the similar kind of B is present. So problem is with whom?
A.
Yeah, he don't have this. That's why he feels so. It as a ghost. He feels so. It as an antigen. He feels so. It as a bacteria. నా దగ్గర లేనిది నా బాడీలోకి వస్తే ఐ ఫీల్ సో యాంటీజన్ అంతే. వెరీ సింపుల్. బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ టోటల్ గా యూ హ్యావ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్. ఇఫ్ ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ that is going to be antigen. For example, if I am O blood group, నా దగ్గర ఏముంది? ఏం లేదు నా దగ్గర. That's why I consider A is antigen. I consider B also antigen. So here also unknown factor is coming to the body. That's why agglutination can be expected. That's why ఇది కూడా ఇవ్వకూడదండి. O ఇవ్వచ్చండి. O ఇవ్వచ్చు. Nothing to show because O don't have anything. That's why we say universal donor. So the B blood group person can receive blood from B, his own blood group, and also O. Okay. Next, that next one, AB blood group. AB blood group. So I think you understand the concept. So that's why now you'll answer fast. AB blood group person. Now let me start the questions. Sugar polymers in him. First question. AB blood group person having what sugar polymers? He is having A sugar polymer and also B sugar polymer. Okay. Whom he consider as antigen? Whom he or she consider as antigen?
AB. Both.
Whom he consider as antigen? I'm waiting. No message. Just directly answer here. Very good.
Both.
Both he consider as antigen or both he don't consider as antigen?
Consider as antigen both.
ఓకే, నేను మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను చూడండి. మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను. నో ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఎట్ ఆల్ బికాస్ యువర్ ప్రీవియస్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఈజ్ కన్ఫ్యూజింగ్ యూ. యువర్ ప్రీవియస్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఈజ్ కన్ఫ్యూజింగ్ యూ. సో నా దగ్గర ఏ ఉంది, నా దగ్గర బి ఉంది. ఐ హ్యావ్ బోత్ ఏ షుగర్ పాలిమర్ అండ్ బి షుగర్ పాలిమర్. If this is my blood group. So if A blood group, if A I already have, I don't have that also as considered as antigen అండి. నా దగ్గర ఉన్నది యాంటీజన్ అవ్వదండి ఎప్పుడు. ఓకే, సో నా ఆర్బీసీ మీద ఏ ఉంది, బి ఉంది. సో దట్స్ వై ఇఫ్ ఏ ఈజ్ గివెన్ నో ప్రాబ్లం, నా దగ్గర ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది కదా. ఇఫ్ బి ఈజ్ గివెన్ నో ప్రాబ్లం, ఐ ఆల్రెడీ హ్యావ్. సో అంటే సేమ్ చిన్న కాన్సెప్ట్. వై పీపుల్ విల్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్? బికాస్ దే నో ప్రీవియస్లీ అబౌట్ దిస్ బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్. దట్స్ వై దే కన్ఫ్యూజ్. Okay, so let me say again, the total blood group concept is running on what I have, I don't consider as antigen. What I don't have, I don't know that, that's why I consider as antigen. Atla. Okay, now you answer. Whom he or she consider as antigen? Everni
consider.
Yeah, atla. So before you answer, you should think. Okay, whom he or she consider as antigen? No one. ఇక్కడ తొందరపాటు పనికిరాదు. You should think. Okay, next. Let's talk about can receive blood from. We'll maintain the same columns here. What antibodies he produce? What antibodies he produce? What antibodies? When he is not considering anyone as antigen, so we say no antibodies can be expected him. No antibodies he produce because whatever the sugar polymers are present, he is having, she is having. That's why that he do not produce anything. Okay, that's why he do not produce anything. Next, same. Let's talk about the can receive blood from, can receive blood from. We have 4 options to say can receive blood from. So number 1, A blood group, number 2, B blood group, and number 3, AB blood group, number 4, O blood group. So we have 4 options. That let me say once again. That I am drawing here that so AB blood group person means he is having both A sugar polymer and also B sugar polymer. He is having both A sugar polymer and B sugar polymer. So that's why I don't think so he will feel anything as an antigen, isn't it? He don't feel A as an antigen and he don't feel B as an antigen because both he is having. రెండు ఉన్నాయి నేను దగ్గర. సో కాబట్టి ఎవరిని యాంటీజన్ కింద ఫీల్ కాడు. ఓకే, నీ దగ్గర ఉంటే నువ్వు యాంటీజన్ ఫీల్ కావు. అదే సింపుల్ లాజిక్ హియర్. Okay, now let's talk about A blood group person. A blood group person is having what? A sugar polymer. B blood group person is having what? B sugar polymer. Okay, that B sugar polymer. So AB blood group person is having what? Both A and B sugar polymers. అందరికీ ఆప్షన్ ఇచ్చి చూద్దాం. Okay, here also. Next, O blood group person on their surface of RBC. ఏముంటాయండి O blood group person మీద? No, nothing is seen over. O means nothing. So we'll put all them in boxes. So let us see what happens. That way these 4 types of persons are giving blood to him. 4 persons are giving blood to him. So 1, O is given. Is there any problem? O don't have any surface antigens.
No problem.
Yeah, AB is given. Any problem?
No.
B is given. B contain?
No.
ఎందుకండి నో?
అంటే బి యాంటిజన్ ఆల్రెడీ తన దగ్గర ఉంది కాబట్టి.
కదా, వెరీ గుడ్. ఫైనలీ కాన్సెప్ట్ కేమ్. A, B. సో ఇక్కడ A, B
No problem.
antigens are present. Okay, ఇక్కడ nothing is present. So he is O blood group. He is AB blood group. He is B blood group. Okay, then he is A blood group person. Okay, so ఇంకా ఫైనల్ గా ఏం డిక్లేర్ చేద్దాం వీళ్ళకి? Can receive blood from A, can receive blood from B, can receive blood from AB and also O. So that's why we are declaring AB blood group person as universal recipient. Okay, universal recipient. In all cases, you are seeing O as a donor. That's why we say that O as a universal donor, that recipient here. So finally, O as a universal donor. We'll write here O blood group person. So I don't think so. It will take time. We'll go a little faster. That with the help of you, O blood group. O blood group. The similar kind of questions we'll have to ask. Okay, number 1. First question. Sugar polymers. Number 1. What sugar polymer is having?
Oh, no sugar polymer.
Yeah, very good. Very good. No sugar polymer. So now A or B are absent. A లేదు, B లేదు. Next.
B లేదు.
Next. Number 2. Whom he or she consider as antigen?
A, B, both.
Yeah, very good. Whom she consider that he or she consider as antigen because he don't have both. That's why he or she consider both as an antigen. Both as an antigen. So our answer is A and B. A and B as considered as antigen. Next, against whom he or she produce antibodies? Against whom he or she produce antibodies?
Both A and B.
Both A
Very
and
good.
B.
Both A
A
and
blood group and
he produce A antibodies, B antibodies in the
B
plasma.
antibody.
Next, can receive blood from.
Both A and B.
Can receive blood from. జాగ్రత్తగా ఆలోచించి చెప్పాలి. Can receive.
Only O.
Well,
Only from O.
yeah, that means if you think you will get answer. Okay, can receive blood from. Let us try. Let us try. Rasidam. So, this is the person, O blood group person, which contain no anti gens at all. A and B sugar polymers are absent. So that let me draw the 4 types of RBC. That A, B, AB, O. 4 types of RBC I am drawing here. So in case of A blood group person, what are present? A antigens are present. In case of B blood group person, B sugar polymer is present. In AB, both A and B sugar polymers are present. Here it is the O. So we'll put all them in box. Okay, so these are all 4 boxes, 4 types of people. Let's talk about them. Let us give blood to them. A blood group person is given. What's the problem? A blood group person is given. What's the problem? Whom he considers as antigen in that case?
A blood group.
Yeah, A antigen. A sugar polymer ni బ్యాక్టీరియానో వైరస్ అనుకుంటాడండి. అట్లా అందుకని ఈ ప్రొడ్యూస్ యాంటీబాడీస్ అగ్లూటినేషన్ జరుగుతుంది ఇక్కడ ఈ కేసులో.
B as an antigen.
Yeah, B as an antigen. A blood group, ఇది B blood group. Okay. Next, ఇదేంటి? A and B.
B.
So what he
Both
considers
AB as an antigen.
Antigen.
రెండు డేంజరే. Okay, if you don't revise, if you don't make notes here, your previous knowledge will come and you will answer wrong again. So that's why ఇది ఇవ్వకూడదు కదండి. We should not give. What about O? O అంటే
No
nothing. So that's why ఇది better to give, better to here. So that means
survive.
agglutination occurs, agglutination occurs, agglutination occurs, which can be shown in the form of plus 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 plus. Then here only the option. Here this is the only option. So O may be universal donor, but it cannot be recipient because it don't know anything. That's why it consider AB as an antigen. This is the final story of the blood group person. Actually very small topic, but why it will take time? Because your previous knowledge is going to mix with the current knowledge, and without thinking you people will answer. That's the problem actually. Okay. So you make notes of this totally today, and then we continue the blood group inheritance in the next class. Okay, this after this item there is nothing new here. This is the bigger one. This concept should come in mind. With that we can complete the remaining all the concepts easily. Okay.